The Integradde project is an initiative that aims to develop an end-to-end digital manufacturing solution, enabling a cyber-secured bidirectional data flow for a seamless integration across the entire additive manufacturing chain. The goal is to develop a new manufacturing methodology capable of ensuring the manufacturability, reliability, and quality of a target metal component while reducing costs and defects. Integradde's digital thread for additive manufacturing solution has been validated in real manufacturing conditions using the testing facilities of our 4 open pilot lines. Let us show you how the digital thread for additive manufacturing works, step by step. Step 1. Design. The starting point is the optimized design of the metal components to be built and the achievement of an improved design. Step 2. Multiscale and multi-physics modeling. The optimized design from step 1 is now modeled in the computer to extract and compare different strategies, process planning and modeling using additive manufacturing. Step 3. Hardware-independent CAD/CAM. The building strategy implementation is done through hardware-independent CAD/CAM, which implements the building strategy needed for manufacturing the component. Step 4. Building. The metal part is built using slicing additive manufacturing processes, controlling the key parameters and generating data for quality control. Step 5. Metrology. Inspections and tests are included in line to guarantee the finished metal part is manufactured within specified quality requirements and tolerances. Step 6. Adaptive post-processing. Then, we apply adaptive post-processing to the finished parts to improve some properties such as surface roughness. Step 7. Finished certified part. Finally, we get an improved and certified metal part. Integradde open pilot lines can provide facilities and expertise to EU industry. Through their testbed infrastructure for the additive manufacturing of metal-based components, the application of an integrated methodology for the manufacturing of metal components, the implementation of validation and assessment in an end-to-end approach by linking product engineering, building control, and post-processing data flows. Services. Consultancy, process development, pre-series, training, information point. Now that you've seen how additive manufacturing can improve the fabrication process, would you like to implement it in yours? If you are an EU manufacturing SME, you can take part in Integradde's Expression of Interest and be one of the first in benefiting from network services at no cost, with the guidance of experts to test and validate the additive manufacturing solutions offered. Integraddeproject.eu to apply to the Expression of Interest and get the free services offered by Integradde Feasibility Manufacturing Assessment, interoperability validation of external technology. All this tailored support is provided by a network of open pilot lines in top-tier research and technology organizations.